Good morning. Today we will go for a new topic, that is verb. നമ്മൾ പാർട്സ് ഓഫ് സ്പീച്ച് പഠിക്കുമ്പോൾ അതിലൊരു ഭാഗമാണ് ഏത് verb. When we learn parts of speech, we learn this verb as one of the parts of speeches. And you all know what is a verb. എന്താണ് verb എന്ന് എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാം. What is a verb? You know very well. That is, a verb is an action word. ഒരു ആക്ഷൻ ആണ്, അല്ലേ? It shows an action. എന്താണത്? Everything is an action. You say read, write, sleep, play, eat, drink, draw. Everything is verb. So, എല്ലാം വേർബാണ്. വേർബ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? ക്രിയ, അല്ലേ? ഒരു പ്രവൃത്തി, അല്ലേ? സോ we will learn this verb to know or to learn these tenses. So first we know what is the verb, then it will help you to learn how do we learn tenses. ആദ്യ വേർബിനെ കുറിച്ച് പഠിച്ചെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയുള്ളൂ? ടെൻസ് പഠിക്കാൻ കഴിയുള്ളൂ, അല്ലേ? അപ്പൊ എന്ത് വേണം? ഫസ്റ്റ് വി ഷുഡ് know what is verb and how do we use it and what are the forms or types of verbs. We will see it here. So I already told you, a verb is an action word. It shows an action, അല്ലേ? ഒരു പ്രവൃത്തിയാണ് എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? verb എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ teach ഒരു ആക്ഷൻ വേർഡാണ്. It's a verb. Write, it's an action word. It's a verb. It's a verb. And see, play, it's a play. It's also an action word. So it's a verb. So all the action words are verbs. Now we'll see there are two types of verbs. We can divide the verbs into two. If someone asks you how many types of verbs are there, how many types of verbs are there, എത്ര തരത്തിലുള്ള verbs ഉണ്ട്, how many types of verbs are there, what will be your answer? Your answer is two. There are two types of verbs, right? There are two types of verbs. What are they? Transitive verb and intransitive verb. Transitive verb and intransitive verb. I told you there are two types of verbs and one type is called a transitive one. Second is a intransitive one. Don't forget. Transitive verb and intransitive verb. So what is transitive verb means? A verb which has an object is called a transitive verb. അതായത് ഒരു വേർബിന് ശേഷം ഒരു ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് വരികയാണെങ്കിൽ എന്താണത്? ട്രാൻസിറ്റീവ് വേർബാണ്. ഇവിടെ നോക്കൂ, they played football. They played football. Here played is verb, right? Why? It is an action word. No, so played is an action word. So again you see, here is a football. Football is object. Football is object. So an object comes after the verb. If an object follows an verb, if an object follows a verb, it is called a transitive verb. അതായത് ഒരു വെർബിന് ശേഷം ഒരു ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് വരികയാണ് എങ്കിൽ, ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണം, ഒരു വെർബിന് ശേഷം ഒരു ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് വരികയാണെങ്കിൽ we call that verb as a transitive verb. It's clear? That is, if we write an object after the verb, then we call that verb as transitive verb. അതായത് ഒരു വെർബിന് ശേഷം ഒരു ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് വരികയാണെങ്കിൽ we call that verb as transitive verb. എന്താണ് transitive verb? ഇല്ലേ? Now next type is what? Intransitive verb. Intransitive. One is transitive, the second is intransitive. What intransitive? If there is no object. Here we have cried as verb. No, but there is no object after the verb. There is no object after the verb. So this is called intransitive verb. So I found that some people get confused these two terms, transitive verb and intransitive verb, which has object and which doesn't have object. They are confused. So നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? ഈ കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ഒഴിവാക്കാൻ we will follow certain easy shortcut methods. How is it? നമ്മൾ intransitive എന്നല്ല പറയുന്നത്. Intransitive. No. E means E. This E. E means what? ഇല്ല. E means ഇല്ല. എന്തില്ല? ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് ഇല്ല. അത് intransitive. Other one transitive. But intransitive there is either no. Intransitive either no. So E means ഇല്ല. എന്തില്ല? ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് ഇല്ല. എവിടെ ഇല്ല? വെർബിന് ശേഷം ഇല്ല. അപ്പൊ എന്തായി? ഇൻട്രാൻസിറ്റീവ് വെർബായി അല്ലേ? സോ ഷീ ക്രൈഡ് എന്നുള്ളത് ഒരു ഇൻട്രാൻസിറ്റീവ് വെർബാണ്. ക്രൈഡ് എന്നുള്ളത് ഇൻട്രാൻസിറ്റീവ് ആണ്. വൈ? ഇറ്റ് ഡസന്റ് ഹാവ് an object. So we call this verb as a intransitive verb. So I hope that these two terms are clear for you. One is a transitive verb, the other is a intransitive verb. He wrote a book. He wrote a book. അവൻ ഒരു ബുക്ക് എഴുതി. He wrote a book. Here wrote is a transitive verb. Why do you call this wrote as a transitive verb? What reason? What's the reason? Yes, because this wrote follows an object. What is the object? Book is the object. So this wrote is a transitive verb. They drew a picture. They drew a picture. അവർ ഒരു ചിത്രം വരച്ചു. They drew a picture. അവർ ഒരു പിക്ചർ വരച്ചു. Drew and what is drew? Drew എന്നുള്ളത് ഒരു verb-ആണ്. Confusion. Whether drew is a transitive or intransitive. Drew എന്നുള്ളത് ട്രാൻസിറ്റീവ് ആണോ ഇൻട്രാൻസിറ്റീവ് ആണോ? ട്രാൻസിറ്റീവ് ആണ്. കാരണം എന്താണ്? There is an object. What is the object? Picture. Picture is there. So this drew is a transitive verb. Now you see, they slept. They slept. അവർ ഉറങ്ങി. They slept. ഇതെന്താണ്? Slept is an intransitive verb. Why? Slept doesn't have an object. Sleptന് ശേഷം ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് ഇല്ലാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് we call it as a intransitive verb. അല്ലേ? So these are the two types of verbs. One is a transitive verb and second is a intransitive verb. Clear? Now it has four forms. A verb has four forms. Two types of verbs, four forms of verbs. Don't get confused. If someone asks you, how many forms does a verb have? How many forms does a verb have? ഒരു വെർബിന് എത്ര ഫോംസ് ഉണ്ട്? How many forms does a verb have? What will be your answer? നിങ്ങളുടെ ആൻസർ എന്താണ്? What will you be your answer? Your answer is 4. That is, a verb has 4 forms. That is the present form, then past form, then past participle, then present participle. 4 forms: present form, past participle, present participle. Once again, present form, past participle, and present participle. These are 4 forms of a verb. We will call them as V1, V2, V3 and V4. But you see, whenever you go outside, whenever someone asks you that how many forms does a verb have, don't say that V1, V2, V3, V4. It's for our convenience we say call it as V1, V1, V2, V3, V4, all this. But we should not say to others. What do you say to others? Present form, past participle and present participle. Somebody see, present form, write. Write is the present form. What is past participle, present past form? Wrote. Wrote is the past form of write. Wrote is the past form of write. Then written. Written is the past participle form or third form. Written is the past participle form of write. Then present participle, that is a writing, ing form. Writing is the present participle of write. So 4 forms: present form, past participle and present participle. How do you say? That is read, read, again read. Both spelling same spelling, but sound is different. Read, read, read. Fourth form, reading. Right? Again, each, first form. Each, second, age, A-T-E, age. Third form, eaten. Then fourth form, eating. Once again, each, age, eaten and eating. Right? What is eat? Present form. What is past form of eat? Age, കഴിച്ചു. A-T-E, age. Now what is third form? Eaten. That is past participle. Right? And fourth form, eating, E-A-T-I-N-G. So these are the 4 forms of a verb. Once again, you see, you know what is a verb? A verb is an action word. It shows an action. Clear? And there are 2 types of verbs. What are 2 types of verbs? One is a transitive verb. The other is an intransitive verb. Right? What is transitive verb? Transitive verb means a verb which has an object. That is transitive verb. Again come to intransitive verb. What is intransitive verb? A verb which doesn't have an object. That is intransitive verb. Now come to forms. How many forms does a verb have? 4 forms. What are they? Present form, past participle and present participle. Okay, we call them V1, V2, V3 and V4. These are the 4 forms of verbs and 2 types of verbs. We should learn this well while we go to our tenses. So children, listen this class minimum 5 times. Then only you will be thorough in this concept. Okay, minimum 5 times you have to listen this, and we will start our next class in our next week. Okay, thank you, bye.